You've been having a moment, as they say. It's only 20 yards away. Zoom on this camera doesn't really work. Hello, sweetie cakes. You almost look like you've got something wrong with you. If you were a bunny rabbit, I'd say you've got myxomatosis, but yeah, I'm here. Hello. I'm waving my arm. Aww. You're meant to be frightened of me. It's not good not to be frightened of us humans. We're unpleasant. We are having a moment. No, to be fair, so what are you? 30 paces away. Oh, it's got something wrong with its leg.